drink. So we actually pour it in layers, and because of the different specific gravities of the different ingredients, they will remain in layers. And ideally, you would drink it with a straw so that you could taste all the layers as they come together. But what we found when we prototyped this drink is you get the same effect of that when you drink it regularly. So it's kind of neat to know that that's the case. The Kahlua goes in first, then the vodka. You may see that this is some rather formidable amounts of alcohol in this drink. With a name like Mind Eraser, you could perhaps understand why. And then, once we have the two layers here, we will top it off with some club soda for a little bit of effervescence and some additional character on the tongue. Inside each glass were just some ice given in a rocks glass. And here we have our Mind Eraser.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers.